Here's this Heil Century central air conditioner running. Yeah, it's from 2022. It's a 14-seer, 5-ton. Model is R4A. It's really cold. We got this 10-ton Goodman RTU from 2010, I believe. That one over there is from 2010, so I'd assume this one is as well. Yeah, I can't see the compressor because it's all belted in.
Is there a warranty available or something?
Whatever the warranty is on this thing, it's probably expired.
You know what it is?
Unless it's 15 years.
Probably have it set to shut off as well. It could have shut off at 8:30. Yeah. You know when they close, they probably have to set it off.
Oh, this unit just kicked on right as we were about to leave. I don't think I ever got the data sheet. This data sheet's a lot more fresh since it's away from the sun. That'll be it.